Investors continue to have even higher hopes for Aeva because, in addition to their partnership with LOXO, they've been selected by Airbus up next, a wholly owned subsidiary of the world's largest commercial aircraft manufacturer, Airbus, to supply its cutting-edge 4D LiDAR technology. This technology will be used for the Optimate Smart Automation Demonstrator, an innovative project aimed at enhancing pilot assistance and decision-making capabilities through smart automation technologies. Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology utilizes frequency-modulated continuous wave sensing to detect precise distance and velocity for each point in a scene, a significant advancement over traditional LiDAR systems. This technology delivers high-resolution data at long ranges of up to 500 meters, making it suitable for complex environments like airports, runways, and taxiways. The Optimate project involves testing multiple Aeva 4D LiDAR units on an Airbus A350-1000 flight test aircraft and an electrical truck during extensive taxi operations at Toulouse-Blagnac Airport and another major international airport. According to Soroush Salian, co-founder and CEO of Aeva, this collaboration showcases the transformative potential of Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology in the aviation industry. Then, the partnership with LOXO, a Swiss urban autonomy software provider, sees the integration of Aeva's long-range 4D LiDAR technology into LOXO's autonomous driving platform, Digital Driver. This partnership will see Aeva's state-of-the-art 4D LiDAR sensor, Aeva Atlas, deployed across LOXO's delivery vehicle fleet, designed for middle and last-mile logistics. LOXO selected Aeva for its breakthrough sensing capabilities, essential for safe and scalable autonomous operation. Aeva's technology offers several key advantages, including high-resolution long-range sensing, precise detection of obstacles and road users at distances up to 500 meters, and dynamic object detection and tracking with centimeter accuracy. Additionally, Aeva's technology maintains reliable sensing in challenging weather conditions like rain, snow, and dust, and provides instant velocity data for accurate localization, even without GPS or reliable odometry. According to Claudio Paniza, co-founder and CTO of LOXO, Aeva's 4D LiDAR provides the high-fidelity, real-time data needed for Digital Driver to operate safely and effectively across various conditions and vehicle types. James Byun, managing director of business development at Aeva, emphasized that Aeva's sensors offer capabilities beyond traditional sensing, enabling LOXO to navigate safely and confidently in any environment. This collaboration marks a significant step in enabling scalable and weather-resilient autonomous delivery services across Europe and beyond. LOXO is pioneering autonomous delivery with its Digital Driver technology stack, integrated into purpose-built and retrofitted electric vehicles, meeting the growing demands of urban and regional logistics. On top of these two most recent partnerships, Aeva's relationship with SIAG, a significant player in high-precision sensors, is evolving strategically, with SIAG committed to transitioning a significant portion of their portfolio to Aeva's FMCW technology. This partnership is expected to drive market traction and momentum. In the laser displacement sensor market, Aeva expects new customer engagements to take months rather than years, following initial engagements like the one with SIAG. The company is ramping up manufacturing capacity to meet growing demand. Aeva is also engaged with multiple OEMs in commercial and passenger vehicles, seeing interest in FMCW technology for long-range applications and participating in ADAS programs with significant volume opportunities. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.